Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. So today my topic money. So guys, I would say that money is a tool, not the goal. But people are taught directly or indirectly that money equal happiness. It is not truth. Suppose that you have a lot money, you can buy car, you can buy tall building, you can buy clothes, you can buy everything, but you can't buy skill, you can't buy talent. But guys, if you have skill, if you have talent, you can earn money. So that's why I'm saying that don't don't run for money. Skill, talent is most important. If you have talent, you can earn money easily. But if you have money, you can't earn ability, talent. You, you can't buy. You can't buy skill too. So lot of people thought, lot of people thought money is everything. So I would say that if you are younger, you should not run for money. Skill is most important your life. Money is a tool only, not the goal. Your should be goal. How can become a success? You should learn ability. First of all, you should learn calm. You should learn punctuality. How can become you can say how can become a punctual, how can become a honest. First of all, you should think how can become a success. You should not run for money, because if you would have ability, would have talent, if you have ability, money automatically will come front of you. But if you haven't skill, if you haven't talent, money is not good for you. So guys, I want to say you should focus on talent only. You should not focus for money. You should focus on talent. In a silly time, I am talking about younger. Means you are 18 year, you are 20 year, you are 21 year. So you should learn talent, new talent. You should learn skill. You skill is most important our life. Then automatically will come money. So don't worry about money. Okay. So if you have skill, if you have talent, if you have, uh, you can say so everything, happiness automatically will come in front of you. But if you go for money everywhere, if you haven't talent, so it is not good. In a silly time, you should think how can how can learn ability, how can come ability, how become ability, how can become punctual, how can become honest. Okay, how can become talent, how can become skill, how will grow my ability. At that time you should think, you should not think for only for money. Okay, so I would say that, guys, if you have time, you should take talent. You should go. If you have, you should not go bad way. Okay, if your friend should be good, your environment should be good, then uh, will be good for your life. Otherwise you have to face problem in life. Okay, that's why I want to say that uh, if you want to learn speak English, you have to spend time. As you know, I am beginner, I want to learn speak English. Already I have good job, I have a show, I am honored, but I haven't any knowledge about English. That's why I spend time every day. I have everything. You can say home, soap, everything. I have worker, lot of worker, but I haven't education. That's why I spend time every day, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 minutes, depend on my time. I want to learn speak English. I want to talk fluency. I want much more confidence. That's why I spend time every day, morning time. So guys, I want to share my knowledge. Don't don't go for money. Initially time you should take talent first of all. Initially time you should take skill, you should take talent, you should take ability. How can grow my ability, how can grow my talent? Okay, he would have ability, would have skill, talent, you can earn money easily. But if you have money, you can't buy ability, you can't buy skill, you can't buy talent. So guys, listen my point carefully. No need to go anywhere for money. First of all, you should learn skill, talent. If you have talent, you can earn money easily. But if you haven't a talent, if you have lot of money, it is not good. Money is not important, talent is much important. So I want to say guys, everyone, every younger, every educated person, every villager, every city is city area, every listen my point carefully. You should learn first of all talent. Okay, would have talent, 100% you can earn a lot. Don't waste time. Okay, first of all, you should think for ability, for talent. So I want to talk today. I wanted to talk today for skill, for talent, for ability. So guys, I hope you watch. You will. I hope. Uh, do you like my video? Thank you for watching my video. I hope uh, you will be you will be surprised me, and you will be comment me. So I will upload tomorrow other video. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.